Hey, wonderful viewers! I am Mary Luke Yusogabo, and today we're going to discuss about the inclusive education in the Philippines, its definition, the VMGO, which means vision, mission, goals, objectives, scope, and importance of special and inclusive education.
But before we proceed to our proper discussion, let's have first our learning objectives for today's lesson. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand the definition and frameworks of inclusive education, present information about inclusive education through essay, appreciate the value of diversity and equity in education. Now, let us define inclusive education. So, inclusive education is an approach that ensures all students, regardless of ability, background, or socioeconomic status, learn together in the same environment with equal opportunities and support. The collaboration of the Department of Education and the United National Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations, or UNESCO, aims to enhance teachers' skills in integrating students with disability in mainstream classrooms. Now, let us proceed to the VMGO of inclusive education in the Philippines. And let us start with a vision. The Department of Education clearly states its vision for children with special needs in consonance with the philosophy of inclusive education. It states that the state, community, and family holds a common vision for the Filipino child with special needs. By the 21st century, it is envisioned that he or she could be adequately provided with basic education. This education should fully realize his or her own potentials for development and productivity, as well as being capable of self-expression of his or her rights in the society. And he or she is God-loving and proud of being a Filipino. Its mission. According to the Philippine Policy and Research, the mission of inclusive education in the Philippines is to provide all learners or disability with the access to quality education within mainstream classrooms, ensuring they receive necessary support to reach their full potential while promoting acceptance and a sense of belongingness within the school community. This is primarily established under the Republic Act number 11650, also known as the Inclusive Education Act. Its goals. The goal of inclusive education is to provide children with special needs appropriate educational services within the mainstream of basic education, and includes the development of key strategies on legislation, human resource development, family involvement, and active participation of government and non-government organizations. So let's proceed to the objectives. The inclusive education aims to provide a flexible and individualized support system for children and youth with special needs in a regular class environment in schools nearest the student's home, and provide support services, vocational programs, and work training, employment opportunities for efficient community participation and independent living. Implement a lifelong curriculum to include early intervention and parental education, basic education, and transition programs on vocational training or preparation for college. Make available an array of educational programs and services like a special education center built on a school within a school concept and as the resource center for children and youth with special needs, inclusive education in regular schools, special and residential schools, homebound instruction, hospital instruction, and community-based programs. Alternative modes of service delivery to reach the disadvantaged children in far-flung towns, depressed areas, and underserved barangays. Scope of inclusive education. The concept of inclusion is often discussed as though it applies only to students with disabilities. In reality, inclusive education has a much wider scope. According to Booth and Anscow, inclusion in education involves valuing all students and staff equally, reducing exclusion and increasing student participation in school, culture, curriculum, and community, removing barriers to learning for all students, especially with those with special needs, using lessons from overcoming barriers to improve accessibility for all, recognizing student differences as learning resources rather than challenges. The importance of special and inclusive education ensures that all learners, regardless of ability, receive equal opportunities to develop their full potential. Special and inclusive education is not just a policy or a teaching method, but it is a movement towards equality, dignity, and human rights. It benefits not just only children with special needs, but also their peers, educators, and society as a whole.
Okay, it's a wrap, class. But